Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max 1. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love. In the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at our way. And I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike Air Max 1. This is the Rippin Stop Slippin pack, and we've got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's at US 8.5 or 8.5. And here they are. This is essentially version 2 or 2.0 of the OG Rippin Stop Slippin Air Max 1 that originally came out in 2008. So this is one for you OG Air Max 1 heads out there. I know you guys are out there watching. Let us know your thoughts on these sneakers in the comment section below. But before you do that, we'll get into all the details. So if you look at outsole, so we'll start with the outsole. It's got an all rubber outsole. You've got this kind of translucent part right there, reminiscent of the OG pair with all that cartoon right there. Got the waffle patterning, from Nike. That's very iconic. And on the midsole unit, so you've got a foam midsole, but like all Air Max 1s, you've got the Air Max unit at the heel, iconic, and it's in the window right there. And the upper, so this upper is made out of an array of materials, so you can see this hairier suede on the toe box and the black, so all the black paneling, and it's on the swoosh and the heel counter also. Mesh on the toe box also for your ventilation. And if you look at the lateral side and the medial side, you've got that hairy suede swoosh both sides. And just like the parent 08, you've got the Keep Rippin Stop Slippin and the heel counter stitched on there. At the tongue, normal lacing system, padded Nike Air Max on the top there, nicely supported ankle support, and you got a foam insole also. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, I'm not very familiar with the Keep Rippin Stop Slippin pack from Nike back in 08, but maybe some of you OG Air Max 1 heads, Air Max heads can help us. Just let me know in the comment section below. Just give me a brief history. I'm not that very well versed, but I know that this is kind of more hairier than the 08 version, if you look at the hairy suede parts. But this is a very iconic pair to the Air Max 1 collectors. I'm a big fan of the Air Max 1s myself. This is a really dope sneaker to have to your collection, and a probably good update to that 08 version. So roll that footage of me trying these Keep Rippin Stop Slippin pairs of Air Max 1s for you. When it comes to the fit guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm UK size 7.5. These fit perfectly. These look really dope on as well. I just want to apologize, I think I said that this is like a direct sequel or whatever to the original Keep Rippin Stop Slippin. Those were more orange, but you know, I'm here to learn. This is a spiritual successor if anything. Very dope sneaker in and of itself. Great fit, can't go wrong with an Air Max 1. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.